Hello friends, my name is Swarit. I am studying in third grade. Today I have made a pneumatic arm in RoboFun lab in Ahmedabad. Components I have used are air pump, air tank, manometer, pipes, switches, piston, gears, beams and many more. Let me tell you how it works. When you on the first switch, the first switch helps the arm to go up and down. When you on the second switch, the second switch helps the arm to go right and left. And the third switch helps the arm to grab the thing. Let me show you a demo. Thank you.